नमस्कार, मी सृष्टी आणि आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी तुमचं स्वागत करते. For those who don't understand Marathi, hi, my name is Srishti and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this look, so please keep on watching. I'm going to start with base, so I'm using this primer from PAC, which fills in your pores and smoothens your skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix Foundation and L'Oreal True Match Foundation. These two foundations on its own are great, but mixing them together gives a beautiful finish, which I love. So just applying the foundation with my fingers first and then using a damp beauty blender from PAC to blend it. For concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro concealer and applying it in my inner and outer corners of my eyes. And then blending it under my eyes. Next, I'm using this full coverage concealer from L'Oreal to conceal my spots. And blending it as well. And then whatever was left on the sponge, just taking it down to the neck. To set the base, I'm using this loose powder from Maybelline and setting underneath my eyes and also my T-zone. For eyes, I'm starting with this kajal from Chambor and lining my eyes. And smudging it a little. And creating a soft wing. Then using this Makeup Revolution's eye palette and going in with this brown shade. And smudging the lined kajal. Then using this transition shade to blend it further. So that it looks nice and seamless. Since it's a festive look, I'm using this shimmery shade right in the center and then blending it a little. And then using the same transition shade and blending it in my crease. Next, I'm applying kajal to my waterlines. And then smudging it with the same eyeliner brush. And then using the same brown eyeshadow which I used earlier to blend the smudged kajal. So that it looks a little smoky. Then using the shade in my inner corners so that my eyes look bigger and brighter. Then curling my lashes and applying lots of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. For brows, I'm using this brow pencil from Nykaa and going in with short strokes. then using the spoolie to just brush the eyebrow hair. Now I'm lightly contouring my face. Then using a contour brush to blend it. I think brush works better than sponge while blending the contour. Once the contour is blended, I'm using this mini bronzer from Sugar on top of it, just a little, not much, and then blending it well. For blush, I'm using this gorgeous pink shade from L'Oreal, which I think is discontinued now, but it just looks so beautiful and natural. For lips, I'm using this nude shade from Nykaa as a base. And then using the subtle pink shade from MAC on top of it. And then blending it. Next, I'm using a setting spray from Favours to set my makeup so that it does not budge. Then using the same sponge and pushing the spray into my skin to make it last longer. And lastly, I'm using this highlighter from Sugar to highlight the highest points of my cheeks, my nose and my brow bones. And to finish off the look, I'm wearing some traditional jewelry pieces. Maharashtrian look is never complete without a nut and a Chandrakor bindi. I also wore a traditional Paithani sari. And that is the finished look. I really hope you liked and enjoyed watching this traditional Maharashtrian look. I will see you in my next video. Happy Gudi Padwa. Bye.
I don't think about the memories I've been too focused on my energy surrender.